Understanding microphone mathematics. 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 Understanding microphone mathematics.
It's Lord Quaz dropping shit like some horses. Irritate your mind state, have you split like divorces. Of course it's the new breed fucking up the mainstream. Plus we gon' gain cream, keep doing the same thing. Elevating styles beyond explication. Turn up the notch, increase the amplification. Madlib got you bumping in your upper story while I drop the microphone mathematics. Simple tactics, so I can back chips, making backflips like when I used to smack chicks. Now I just back dips.